It's your boy Javon.
It's your girl Shavon. And as you see by the title, we're going to be doing another reaction video, okay? This reaction video is going to be to Frozen Part 2.
I didn't even see Part 1. So I don't know what to expect of this trailer. I don't know what to expect of this movie. Let me shut up before she knock me out.
We got to talk about this. We about to binge watch movies all night.
You watch movies all night. You must be dreaming.
Whatever.
Oh, God.
Alright guys, so yeah, we're going to be reacting to this movie, Frozen Part 2. I seen Frozen Part 1 and it was epic. Okay, so they got a lot to stand up against because Part 1 was good.
Are you asking me or are you telling me?
I'm telling you, Part 1 was good.
Okay.
Yeah.
What you want me to say? Like, what you want me to say? I never even see Part 1. You say Part 1 was good.
Whatever. Anyways, this movie will be released November 22nd. So they got some time before
2019.
It's released. So yeah, let's guys.
Guys, you see what we matching, man? We matching. We matching.
We try.
We trying this summer.
We try.
We're going stupid crazy this summer. Alright. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, share.
Hit that notification bell. Alright, let's get into this video. Here we go.
So you just gonna stand there? What's she going in there?
What's she gonna do? She gonna freeze that whole ocean if she go in there.
Oh, they got superpowers or something?
Huh?
They got superpowers?
She's ice.
Why she look that girl off
I know she ain't down this part. Okay. Come on girl, never give up.
Was somebody following them or something?
I don't know. But that it? That's all they gonna show us.
I guess.
Alright then.
That was on 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
I guess it was meant for me not to see it.
By the thumbnail, but by the trailer, it looked like it's gonna be pretty interesting.
Yeah, for you.
Pretty interesting. I love cartoons. So.
She looked like a cartoon too.
Shut up, fool. So you like one of the Walking Dead?
I'll be that. It's better than cartoon, right?
No. What? So, babe, what you think about that that trailer? So Elsa is the. I'm giving background. Elsa is the ice queen. Elsa, the girl with the blue blonde hair. She's the ice queen.
Who jumping on the wall like she crazy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And Anna is her sister, which is the girl with the red hair.
Who was the girl that turned around and pulled the sword out?
Anna.
Oh, Anna. Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
That's her sister. And the guy is Anna's. I think they got married. I believe they got married, but that's her husband. And the snowman. Have you ever heard that song? Do you want to build a snowman?
Yeah.
That's this off this movie.
Oh,
the
really?
first one, yeah.
Oh.
So that's the snowman.
I might have seen that little clip of the first one, but I don't remember anything about it at all.
Yeah. So the snowman is from when they were younger, when they were kids. They built that snowman, and he just magically just kept together.
Oh.
So yeah.
Interesting.
So what you think of that, babe?
I mean, I said I never watched part 1 before, so it's gonna be really interesting. I don't really have that much to say on this trailer, to be honest with you guys, but it's just more depends over here.
I think you need to watch part 1 to, you know, grasp the storyline and everything.
You're gonna have to do something for me to sit down and watch it.
Watch a cartoon?
Yeah. Don't get me wrong, there's certain cartoons I would sit and watch it all day. Don't get me wrong, but Frozen,
you don't know.
I don't know anything about Frozen.
That's why you gotta sit and watch so you can
I'll watch it. Hopefully I don't fall asleep.
Oh Lord, 9 times out of 10 he will fall asleep. But yeah, guys, that's the end of this trailer. We don't really have much to say on it because they didn't really like show a lot. But all I can say is I'm ready to see this movie. I'm ready to see what's going to happen. And yeah, so that's it, guys. Let's close this video out.
Subscribe, like, comment,
share this video.
Follow all social medias below. Follow our personal social media. Follow our joint social media. We're slowly getting there, guys. Slowly. Just keep the journey with us. Just keep grinding with us, because it's going to be a long road. Hopefully not long enough. Just because nothing ain't going to stop us.
Amen to that, brother. Brother Bennett.
Praise the Lord. Hallelujah. I'm free. We're going to end this video, guys.
Alright, guys. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.